everybody, welcome back to Layman Loans. This is a very important and money saving video for many of you who are having existing loans. Want to learn something called as OTS or one-time settlement. First of all, what is one-time settlement? And is it going to be useful to you all? Can you use that in your day-to-day life and settle your loan? Is what you're going to see. First of all, one-time settlement means you are asking the bank to give a single amount. So what happens is, in any loan, you take up a loan and keep paying a monthly EMI to the bank. And after a point of time, the tenure is over and you have paid up all the EMIs, then the loan is completed. Rather than completing your loan by paying all the EMIs, you can ask the bank to give a one-time settlement offer. That basically means, assume you have taken a loan for 5 lakhs and you've been paying the EMIs promptly, and it's a 36 months loan, that's about 3 years, and you have paid for 18 months. Now another 18 months is there. So a regular way to actually close the loan is by going to the bank and asking that what is the total principal outstanding. We are willing to pay the total principal outstanding with all the charges, and we'll give the amount and you can settle the loan. That is a standard protocol which anybody can follow, and banks will be happy to assist you by telling the total amount due and you can pay that. Other way is, if you are really pressed for cash, that you don't have much money, then you can go and request a bank for a one-time settlement. That basically means, assume the total principal outstanding is about say for a 5 lakh loan, the total principal outstanding is about 3.5 lakhs, but you currently have only 2 lakhs. You can go and request a bank that will they be willing to go for a one-time settlement amount of 2 lakhs. Maybe, I'm not very sure, but maybe the banks might say that you can close the loan for even 2.5 lakhs as one-time settlement, because you are paying this amount in one shot and that entire loan will get closed. When do you have to use this particular option, and what point of time the banker will be interested? Let's see that. You can always try to use this option, first of all, when you have the money, and immediately you can go and close the loan. Secondly, which part or which tenure of the time you can use it. You can use it during a year end or a financial year end. You can use it in December, or March 31st is the financial year end and December 31st is the actual year end. During these times, the banks have a lot of pressure to close the loan accounts. Assume you were not able to pay 2-3 EMIs. So you are already going near NPA, that is a non-performing asset. So at this point of time, banks don't want to have you as an NPA account. So instead, if you are going to say to the bank that you have the money to close the loan, will you be able to do a favor by giving a one-time settlement with some discounted amount? Many banks will be willing to give you that. So assume you have a total credit card outstanding due of say 60,000 rupees, but you currently don't have 60,000, you have only 30 or 35,000 rupees. You can directly request your bank and say that you are willing to close the entire credit card on a one-time settlement. What is the best offer you can give? They will do the due diligence and calculations and come up with you with a one-time settlement amount. But the most important thing which you have to know is, if you are making a one-time settlement, you have to also get the loan termination letter and NOC. That basically means there is going to be no future charges levied on that particular account, and this particular loan account is going to be closed and terminated. So the NOC and termination letter, what you need to get from the bank, is most important on a one-time settlement. If you are hard pressed for cash, but still you are in a position to mobilize a significant portion of the loan amount, but not the total loan amount, you can definitely go to the bank during these times, which are like financial year end as well as the actual year end, and request the bank for a one-time settlement. They might definitely consider giving you one. I hope this video is useful to you all, and if you need any assistance in procuring new loans, please do reach out to us by filling up the form mentioned in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Looking forward to connect with you all in the next one.